If you've ever felt completely stuck, like you're just not getting anywhere, whether it's your life or business, there's only one reason why. And I'm going to help you move past that. Stay tuned. The only real reason that comes up for any of us that keeps us stuck is fear, even though it doesn't look like fear most of the time. It's fear, and it's coming from our subconscious programming. Most of the time, it's an instinctual response, something that's been programmed in our DNA. But that doesn't mean we're stuck on auto loop, staying in that programming. Everything we do or think in life is a choice. And once you recognize what's going on, you can make the choice to behave different. I know that sounds really simplistic, but it's not difficult. You just have to recognize what's going on. So your subconscious is your friend, and it's trying to keep you safe 100% of the time. If you're feeling any kind of resistance or like something's going on that's holding you back, it's your subconscious trying to keep you safe because you are trying to do something that is changing your circumstance or your behaviors or your reality. And your subconscious sees any kind of change as a potential threat. So it's trying to keep you safe. Now, it may not come up for you that you actually feel fear holding you back. It could come across as procrastination or missed appointments or a feeling like you're taking action, but you're not getting anywhere. Could be indecision. It could be a lot of things. Feeling that you're just too busy, so you're going to put it off, but you're always too busy, which is a lack of making something a priority. But all of that is subconscious resistance. And when you recognize it for what it is, you need to step back and think, okay, is there something here I should be afraid of? Should I be paying attention to this survival instinct, this inborn mechanism that's trying to keep me safe? And if there's nothing that you need to pay attention to, if you've done your due diligence and this is a good idea for you to step forward and do it, then you can choose consciously to do it. You just need to let your subconscious know that it's okay and you're safe and that you can work this out. And even if you fail, you will learn, you'll fail forward, and it'll be fine. Once your subconscious hears that, it's not going to keep throwing up the resistance. Now, sometimes when we're not moving forward, it's actually because of behaviors that are just self-perpetuating. So it could be that you've got some old behaviors getting in your way, some old habits that you need to reprogram. And you can recognize that and choose to do differently as well. Just because our brain is doing this for us to keep us safe doesn't mean we need to continue to stay stuck. You just have to choose differently. Now, the other trick is once you recognize all of this and you assure yourself that you're safe, you need to start taking action right away. Maybe you still feel a little resistance on big action taking. So start small, start really small. The smallest little incremental step you can take, you should do that. Maybe you just research something, but you should do that today to get in action. And as you start taking those tiny little steps, the resistance will diminish even further and you'll gain traction and be able to take more steps and really get into momentum. Let me know in comments what you recognize as the number one way resistance shows up for you, and I'll see you on the next video.